Here's our 10th lab Spark Programming. In this lab, there's two parts. The first part is PySpark, and the second part is AWS Elastic Lab10. For the first part, we have to install Docker, and we choose to install it at AWS EC2 machine. And here's the command line. We can see Docker's name. We use the Docker's name to get the URL to open the notebook. And we can see the introduction tutorial result here. I will show it in a while in the demo. And for this part, we have to download the smartphone-based recognition of human activities and postural transitions dataset. We're going to load and parse data, build the random forest classifier, and then evaluate the module. Here's the result, and I will show it in the demo as well. And the second part, AWS Elastic MapReducing. What we did is upload the smartphone data from the previous part into an S3 bucket, then go to EMR in the AWS console and click on the Notebook tab. Create a new notebook with a 2-node cluster of instance type C5.extra large. In EMR, our Spark context object is already created, so we don't have to declare it. We can reference it using SC. We have to reference files from S3 instead of a local file directory. We can see here the data that's in the URL S3. And the following figure shows an example of getting data from S3. Here's the result. So question 1 is some of your code may have run slower in a cluster than in local mode. Why is that? And when does it make sense to use Spark for an application? The answer is first, processing data in cluster may have following questions: slow data cluster and fail data cluster. In addition, the I/O operations could also cause slow writing. These are possible reasons that code may run slower in a cluster. When we're facing a very large data set and intractable, scalable issues, choosing Spark is a good idea. Also, if we want to increase our training time, the Spark is also good to use. And for the second question, it is very useful to use Spark in local mode. Why might you choose to use PySpark over some library like Pandas in combination with a different ML framework in local mode? When does it make sense to use one over the other? Yes. We think Spark is useful in the local mode. Pandas data frame are in-memory single thread, so their size is limited by your computer memory, and you will process them with the power of single computer in local. Spark data frames are distributed on the Spark cluster, so their size is determined by memory size and hardware drive size. If we have a very large data size, which the size is more than memory size, the pandas cannot process this data. However, the Spark can handle it. In conclusion, when facing intractable scalable issues, use Spark. When data is simple and no need for a cluster, use Pandas. because it's more flexible, more laborious, and easier to implement complex algorithms.